Mock and revision tests are an essential part of effective learning and exam preparation. Some of the key benefits of mock and revision tests are they improve time management, boost confidence, enhance retention, identify weak areas, and provide feedback for improvement. Today, I will demonstrate how to create a mock or revision test on any subject or topic just using ChatGPT. Hello and welcome to 5 Minutes Tech Guru, where we discover together all the game-changing tech of today, which is shaping a better tomorrow. And we do all of that in just under 5 minutes. So welcome to the ChatGPT Special Series Part 2. For this to work, you only need two things. One is a subscription to ChatGPT, because I'll be using ChatGPT 4. If you see on the screen, I've logged into my ChatGPT 4 and I have the option to select ChatGPT 3.5 as well. But I'll be selecting ChatGPT 4 because that allows me to attach some files. Now the second thing which you require is a PDF version of the book from which you want to create a mock or revision tests. So this could be a full book. This could be an excerpt of the notes you have received, or this could also be just one chapter or topic, but it should be in a PDF version. I have not tested that if it works on text files or CSV files. So today I'm just going to use the PDF version of any book. So on the screen you see I have a PDF version of a Python book. This book is now stored on my laptop and I have complete access and privilege to download it locally. Remember, some of the books are copyright protected and you're not allowed to download them freely until you purchase them. So this is a PDF version of a Python book and it consists of several chapters. Chapters 2, chapter 3, and also it has 278 pages. Now this is a pretty extensive book and it contains lots of illustrations in the form of small code segments. It has little bit of explanations around special functions and features of Python language, some of the keywords, commands. It is a comprehensive guide. So let me show you how we can upload this book to ChatGPT and start building our mock or revision tests. So let's do that now. So let's see. I have the PDF version of the Python programming language, the book, and there's one topic or one particular subtopic which I always find difficult to grasp. It's called regular expressions or regex. Now I haven't gone through the book. I don't know if there are any chapters in the book about regex. So let me ask ChatGPT to find out if there are any chapters inside the book about regex. So what I'll do is I'll type my query. I'm working on improving my regex from the attached book. Can you tell me if there are any chapters or topics on regex in Python? Now I'll attach the book. Now this is uploaded. The book is now connected to this particular message in ChatGPT. So I'll simply send message that ChatGPT is preparing a response. It is reading the book and it is generating some response. So it says that the book you provided includes chapters and topics on regular expressions in Python. Now I didn't go through the book. I asked ChatGPT if there are any regular expression topics or subtopics and it has given me a list. This is just phenomenal. So with the list of topics and subtopics from the book about regex available now, I'm going to ask ChatGPT, can you prepare a mock test on regex topic above from the book attached? Also provide an answer key with explanations. So I'll just save and submit and I'll wait for ChatGPT to generate a response. While it is generating a response, I'll pause this video and I'll resume it when it has completed. So ChatGPT has now finished generating the response and we can go through the questions. So in total, there are almost 7 questions which it has generated for the mock test. And I can see that one of the question is, what is a regular expression used for in Python? It has given me a multiple choice question with 4 options A, B, C, D, and also provides me an answer and explanation. This is because I asked ChatGPT in my prompt that also provide an answer with key with explanations. Also, if I go towards the question number 6, here I see it has generated a code snippet and also given me 4 options and with an answer and an explanation. This is just phenomenal. And that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this amazing episode. Do leave your thoughts and suggestions in the comments below. If you have not subscribed, do subscribe right now, because next week I'm going to reveal not 1 not 2, but 8 ChatGPT engines from OpenAI. Improve your negotiation skills, your laundry skills, your tech support skills, anything. I'm Abhishek signing off. I'll see you next Thursday 6 p.m. Until then, peace and joy.